Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about two things that could help you become a millionaire. Let's get into the video. Future millionaires, welcome back to my channel. I'm diving deep into the world of wealth creation and exploring two powerful strategies that could potentially help you pave your way to becoming a millionaire. The first thing is to leveraging compound interest. All right, my aspiring millionaires, let's talk about the first strategy that can potentially set you on the path to millionaire status. Leveraging the power of compound interest. Compound interest is like a magic snowball that grows bigger and bigger over time, even without you doing much. It's the interest you earn on both your initial investment and the interest you have already earned. The key here is to start early and consistently invest a portion of your income into assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate. Imagine you invest $1,000 with an annual interest rate of 8%. In the first year, you will earn $80 in interest. But in the second year, you will earn interest not just on the initial $1,000, but also on the $80 interest from the first year, totaling 1,080. Over time, this compounding effect can significantly multiply your wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the magic of compounding. The second thing is entrepreneurship and multiple income streams. Now, let's dive into our second millionaire making strategy, entrepreneurship and the importance of multiple income streams. Becoming an entrepreneur does not necessarily mean starting the next big tech company. It can be as simple as identifying problems and offering solutions through products or services. The key is to add value to people's life. One of the most effective ways to achieve millionaire status is by diversifying your income streams. Relying solely on a 9 to 5 job can limit your financial growth. Explore side hustles, freelances, or even starting a small online business. Remember, the more diverse your income sources, the more stable your financial foundation becomes. All right, I have covered these strategies, but implementation is the real game changer. Start by setting clear financial goals. How much do you want to earn, save, and invest? Create a budget that aligns with your goals and helps you manage your financial efficiently. Remember, every dollar saved and invested takes you one step closer to your millionaire dream. So, there you have it. Unlocking the millionaire mindset isn't about shortcuts or instant gratification. It's about consistent effort, smart financial decisions, and a belief in your ability to achieve great things. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.